In this video we are going to see how to change a background completely in Photoshop 2022. So let's get started. First select the image, then go to object selection tool. If you don't see this, click here, right click, then hover over object selection tool, then select subject. It will take some time to load. Now as it's selected, then Ctrl J, grab this image, and go to channels, so Control click, Control here, then the brush, select black foreground color, then paint over these edges, take the size down, for the edges we have to do it so that it looks clear and perfect. Then duplicate this we can do it we can do it in another way. Let's get back, press Ctrl C, don't do all this black color. You can do it in easy way. Just click this, duplicate this layer, Ctrl J, then again Ctrl J, then this, go to multiply, you can delete this layer, and delete this layer by dragging, multiply or saturation, whichever one you will prefer best. I think I'm going to go with saturation. Then create a layer beneath layer 1, then click any color, use the pen bracket tool, this here. We are seeing some whites here, so let's duplicate this, multiply this one, overlay, saturation, bring the opacity down, and then opacity down, opacity, this you can bring this one, bring this opacity down. So there it is. You can change the background to any color, yellow or pink, blue. In blue we have to refine these edges, so just get here, press Ctrl and click this icon, then go to brush, bring the opacity down, it's black, paint over it, the size, just use hard round brush, or you can do one more thing, just go here, use this, the opacity is down, 100, this like this, paint this, paint above this thing, then use this, right click mask, then go to multiply, this change it, multiply, okay. Don't use this, just get this hello here. Use this as normal. too white, so set it down. Multiply dark, let it be on 77. Yes, we have to duplicate the multiplied layer for the second time so that it looks a bit perfect. So this is how you can change the color of any background of your image.